The largest trial yet of a vaccine for COVID-19 got underway in cities across the country today. With 30,000 people, the Moderna vaccine is one of 3 front runners in the race to stop the coronavirus from spreading. UIC is part of that study. Now, Northwestern is looking for volunteers to test the AstraZeneca vaccine developed in collaboration with Oxford University. Joining us now live is Dr. Kreuger from Northwestern Medicine. Doctor, thank you, first of all. We've heard a lot about the Moderna vaccine. How does AstraZeneca's differ, or are they really just the same and it's a race to find a fix?
So there's a few different vaccine candidates right now that are entering or have started in phase 3 clinical trials that all have some slight differences in them, but we'll all be kind of looking at the same thing in these trials. So clinical efficacy in terms of producing antibodies, and also looking to see if it actually clinically prevents infection with COVID-19.
How many volunteers are you looking for, and who are good candidates? Are you looking for healthy people, people with pre-existing conditions? How many and who?
So right now, what we're really focusing on is building a registry of individuals in the Chicago area who may be interested in participating in COVID prevention trials. So that includes the AstraZeneca trial, which you referenced, but also other trials that we may conduct in the future as part of the NIH's COVID prevention network. So we're basically just trying to cast a really wide net right now, focusing on those individuals who are at higher risk of developing active disease. But again, we're kind of just looking for anybody who may be interested so we can match them up to a trial that would fit for them in the future.
Mm-hmm. Historically, from my cursory research, we've never really seen a vaccine get to this phase, although it's probably phased differently now. You call it phase 3. But we've really never seen it get so fast to this testing phase, so there's no real template. Do you know, without a template, what potential concerns are if I'm thinking, hey, I want to volunteer, but what could be the fallout?
Absolutely. It's a great question. So as you mentioned, right now, we're really just trying to kind of focus on building this registry for interested candidates. And then when we do have a clinical trial that matches up with them, we would be contacting those individuals and having a further kind of risk-benefit discussion on entering that specific clinical trial. So obviously we're going to want to watch out for any kind of side effects that the vaccine may cause over time. So for the AstraZeneca study, for example, we'll be following participants for 2 years after the vaccine.
Okay, Google employees found out today they will be working from home until the summer of 2021. That's a year. Boom, like that. Another year at home. Is that the right call? I know that's out of your purview. Or will you, question targeted towards you, will you potentially, in your vaccine, be ready and protect people prior to that?
I think that still remains to be seen. Right now, I think it's just a little bit too early to say how effective these vaccines that are in trial are going to be until we're able to accumulate that data. And I think a lot of when people are ready to go back to work depends on a lot of factors. So how prevalent the virus is in the area and what precautions are possible at each individual work location in terms of keeping people 6 feet apart and masked, et cetera. So I think there's a lot of different factors that go into play there. So I think we're all very hopeful that one of these many vaccine candidates in the work will provide that protection to make people feel more comfortable to get back to normal life next year. But I think it's still a little bit too early to say.
Okay, Dr. Kreuger, thank you for joining us, and we're all pulling for you.